We all loved them, most of us still do. Now we all miss them from car parking multiplayer too. Hey guys, it's Legends here back with another video. And today we talk about Lamborghinis and more new update news on car parking multiplayer too. Ever since the near-legal action of Lamborghini, the cars had to be removed from the current car parking multiplayer on Android devices specifically, and the big question has always remained of whether they will make a return. We've been teased in car parking multiplayer too, with the loading screen and NPC cars showing the Lamborghini Huracan with bumper delete. We will take a look at these and much more in a second. Before we get started, I want to quickly give a shout out to these awesome subscribers and viewers. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the content every time. I really appreciate it more than you know. And if you want to be shown in a future video, drop a like, subscribe, and comment shout out down below. Do this as fast as you can because I will be trying to pick the earliest supporters. Now let's get started on this video with more news about the updates to car parking multiplayer 2 and if Lamborghini will make a return. Another interesting video I'd like to make is a build style video where I show you guys how I make this all-round powerful Supra in car parking multiplayer 2. Comment down below if I should make a full video on building this car. Now let's dive right in with the Lamborghinis. Whenever you don't see them in the NPC drag races, you can play and use the Lamborghini Huracan in the parking levels of the game. I will do a sound comparison of the old sounds and what this new one sounds like. I will also give you guys some nostalgia by driving the other Lamborghinis for a sound test, so I hope you guys enjoy that as well. that we have looked at the Lamborghinis, the other new update news I want to discuss is about car parking multiplayer 2. There has been a few new additions after an early access update, and I would like to showcase these alongside the new physics. Let's dive right in.